Hey, bro, the drawings got here. What the heck? Eddie? Eddie, what did you say to the architect?
TC volt. Hey man,
Hey, what's up?
can you help me out with a markup?
Yeah, sure, what you got?
I just texted you a picture. Did you get that?
No, I'm not seeing it.
TC bolt. You got it yet? It should be coming through.
Yeah, there it is. There it is. Got it.
Okay. All right. You got it? All right.
Oh.
TC bolt. What is that?
All right.
Is that our list?
That's my
What
lunch
is that?
order. Yeah, that's my lunch order. Roast beef, french fries, Coke.
No, thanks for the help.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't do that anymore.
Oh,
Appreciate it.
got it. Hey, what's up, bro?
I wanted to show you the new cover sheets. I thought they looked pretty good.
No, they really do, man.
Yeah. Do you see the? Oh, bro. We're getting blue bean.
What?